Ever wondered what the fundamentals of programming are? Allow me to unravel that mystery for you. Programming, at its core, is about giving a computer a set of instructions to perform a task. It's like writing a recipe for a delicious meal, but instead of food, we're cooking up software. Now every recipe needs ingredients and instructions, right? In the realm of programming, we call these variables and syntax. Variables are the ingredients. They represent the data we work with. Syntax, on the other hand, is the set of rules that dictate how these variables interact. And let's not forget about data types and logic. Data types define the kind of data we can store in our variables. Logic, the heart of programming, is the reasoning that determines how our program flows. These elements, syntax, variables, data types, and logic, are the building blocks of programming. These are the foundations upon which all programming languages are built. Did you know there are different types of programming? Let's dive into the fascinating world of programming types. Firstly, we have procedural programming. Picture it as a recipe where instructions are executed step by step in a specific order. It's simple, straightforward, and excellent for solving linear problems. Then, there's object-oriented programming, or OOP. Imagine a world of objects interacting with each other. Each object has its own properties and behaviors, and they work together to create robust, flexible software. Moving on, we have functional programming. Here, everything is a mathematical function, with no mutable state or side effects. It's great for concurrent processing and offers high-level abstraction. Lastly, we have script programming. It's like a movie script, giving directions to the system to perform certain tasks. It's often used for automating repetitive tasks and prototyping. Choosing the right type of programming depends on the task at hand, so keep exploring and find the one that suits your needs the best. Programming can be tricky. Even seasoned programmers make mistakes. A common pitfall is diving headfirst into coding without a proper plan. Consider your code like a roadmap. Without it, you might find yourself lost in a sea of syntax and variables. Another common error is ignoring those pesky error messages. Yes, they can be frustrating, but they're also your best guide to understanding where things have gone awry. Think of them as a compass, pointing you in the right direction when you've strayed off course. And let's not forget about poor naming conventions. Have you ever tried finding your way in a city where the streets have no names? It's the same with code. Good naming conventions can make the difference between a smooth journey and a frustrating maze. Remember, even the best programmers make mistakes. What sets them apart is their ability to learn and improve.